A very pleasant morning to one and all. Student, welcome to the online platform of Sri Academy. This lecture is for class 7th. As you know, student, yesterday I finished your chapter 2. Chapter name was integer. So today I want to start a new exercise, new chapter. Chapter name is decimal. Before starting this new chapter, I will want to tell you before someday I told you about the decimal number. Okay, but today I will today today I want to tell you again how you add any decimal number, how you subtract any decimal number, how you multiply any decimal number, and how you divide any decimal number. So just ready, beta. Without taking too much time, I want to start our new chapter. So at first, addition. How do we add a decimal number? So for this, at first find the decimal, after that line up the decimal, after that fill in empty spots with 0, now add and bring down the decimal in your answer. Suppose that if you add 10.5 and plus 11.74, you noted down it's a decimal place 10.50 plus 11.74 because you convert it into the like term. Okay, and after that you add in simple way. How do you subtract? To find a decimal, line up the decimal, fill in empty spots with 0 and subtract. Okay, how do you multiply? So the number with most digit goes to up, decimal do not have to line up, multiplying like normal, and after that you multiply. Okay, in same in division also. So I want to start your exercise. First question is that convert each of the following into a fraction in its simplest form. Question is 0.8. So at first you convert it into the fraction term. Okay, so your answer will be 8 by 10 because after the decimal place you find here only one digit. So in one digit you find 10. Okay, means 10. So you multiply and divide by 10 this number. So your answer will 8 by 10. After that you convert it into the like term and you convert it into the simplest term. You see it is the whole number, it is the even number and it's divisible by 2. So 2 4 is 8 and 2 5 is 10. Okay, 4 by 5 is in simplest form. Next question is this 0.75. So after at first you convert it into the fraction form. So your answer will be 75 by 100. After that you divide it to the highest number. So you see this number is divisible by 25. So 25 3s are 75 and 25 4s are 100. Okay. Next is 0.06. So 6 by 100 because after the decimal place you find here two digit. Okay. 6 by 100 you divide it by the 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 50 is 100. Okay. Next question is convert each of the following as a mixed fraction 5.6. So at first you convert it into the fraction form. So 56 by 10. After that you divide it by 2. So 228 is 2 5s and you convert it into the mixed fraction 5 whole 3 by 5. Okay student, all of you understand. Next question is 12.25. So 1225 1225 by 100. After that you divide it by 25. So your answer will be 49 by 4. After that you divide it for changing the mixed fraction. Your answer will be 12 whole 1 by 4. Is that clear? Next question, convert each of the following into a decimal 47 by 10. The 47 by 10 you see in the denominator only 10. So you place the decimal up to the ones place to left digit. Okay, तो your answer will be 4.7. Just like in question second कि 156 by 100, तो your answer will be 1.56. Okay. Next is question is in homework. Okay. If you have any problem, then you will discuss me. Next question कि convert each of the following into like decimal. 6.5, 16.03, 0.274, 119.4. So at first you noted down the question. In this decimal, the greatest place of decimal place is 3 digit. Okay, so which is 0.274. Okay na. So after that you convert all the fraction to 3 digits. 6.5 equal to 6.5 double 0, 16.03 to 16.030, 0.274 it is already in 3 digit, 119.4 double 0. Okay, and your decimal will be converted into the like decimal. Okay, in second question you understand and solve yourself. Next question, question number 5. Fill in the blanks with the correct symbol is greater than or is less than. Which one is greater, 78.23 or 69.85? So among you can tell me very easily कि 78.23 is greater than 69.85. Okay, so you solve it all question yourself. Okay. Next question, question number 6. Arrange the following decimal into ascending order. At first you tell me what is ascending order. Ascending order means number which starts from lowest to greatest, means छोटे से बड़ा. तो at first you noted question तो 4.6, 7.4, 4.58, 7.32 and 4.06. Converting it into the like decimal. So your answer will be, at first you see ki how many highest place, so 2 digit, which is 4.58 and 7.32. So after that you convert all terms into the like term. Okay, 4.60, 7.40, 4.58, 7.32 and 4.06. Okay, after that you see very easily ki which one is less. So 4.06 is less than 4.58, is less than 4.60, is less than 7.32, is less than 7.40. Writing in ascending order, this is your answer ki 4.06, 4.58, 4.60, 7.32, 7.40, 7. Okay, it's your answer. By the help of this you can solve this all question. Okay, is in homework. Next question is that we arrange the following decimal into descending order. So what is descending order? Descending order is just opposite to the ascending order. Means in ascending order you see the number starts from lowest to greatest, but in descending order number starts from greatest to smallest. Okay, at first you write question 7.4, 8.34, 74.4, 7.44 and 0.74. So at first you convert it into the like term. So 7.40, 8.34, 74.40, 7.44 and 0.74. Okay. After that you tell me which number is greater. So you tell me very easily कि 74.4 is greatest number. So 74.40 is greater than 8.34, is greater than 7.44, is greater than 7.40, is greater than 0.74. Okay. After that you write it into the descending order. So 74.4, 8.34, 7.44, 7.4 and 0.74. Okay. All of you understand beta? So question number second is in homework. Next question is he express 45 mm means millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. So you know very well if 4 millimeter, 1 millimeter equal to how centimeter, how many centimeter? So 1 by 10 centimeter. Okay, so you divide 45 by 10, so your answer will be 4.5 centimeter. Okay, next is that 1 millimeter equal to how many meter? So 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 45 millimeter equal to 45 by 100. 4.5 centimeter equal to how many meter? So 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 45 centimeter equal to 4.5 centimeter equal to 4.5 by 100 meter. After that your answer will be 0.045 meter. After that 1 meter equal to how many kilometer? So 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So 0.045 meter equal to 0.045 divided by 1000 kilometer. You place the decimal to the next 3 digits, so your answer will be 0.000045 kilometer. That's clear, beta. Next question, express as rupees using decimal 8 paise. तो you know very well कि 1 पैसे इक्वल टू 1 by 100 रुपी, तो 8 पैसे इक्वल टू 8 by 100 रुपी. योर आंसर विल बी 0.08 रुपी. ओके. 9 रुपीज 75 पैसे, तो योर आंसर 9 रुपीज 75 by 100, तो योर आंसर विल बी 0.75. तो योर आंसर, your final answer will be 9.75 rupees. Okay. Next is in homework. Now question number 10, he express in kilometer using decimal 65 meter. Student, you know very well कि 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Okay, तो 65 meter equal to 65 by 1000. Your answer will be 0.065 kilometer. 284 meter equal to 284 divided by 1000. Your answer will be 0.284 kilometer. Okay. 3 kilometer 5 meter, so you convert only 5 meter to 5 by 1000. So your answer will be 3.005 kilometer. All of you understand, student? So you solve all this question into your fair copy, because when school will be reopened, then I will check each and every copy. Thank you and have a very wonderful day.